Alright, so in this lecture here, I want to fit a couple links on the side so that way we can move around a little easier. So this link right here is taking us to the home page. If I click on this link anywhere I am, it's going to take me to the home page too. But we need to change the name, and I also need to change this link here and this link here. Alright, so we need to change those. So let's go to category. We're just fixing up a little bit here. So the first thing is to go to the navigation, and we have start bootstrap right here. Let's just change this to CMS front, for example. We don't have to be that specific, right? And here the CMS admin is taking me to index.html. So I am on admin includes admin underscore navigation.php, and we're going to change this to index.php. We have another link. All right, so let's check on that real quick. Admin. Then we have this dashboard that we need to fix. So this one is fits. Dashboard is the one now fits. So that would be in the navigation somewhere here. Dashboard. We can also look at it if we can't find it for some reason. Oh, it's right here. Index.php. So let's check that out. Oops. Dashboard index. All right, so everything is looking good here. Perfect. All right, so another thing that I want to do also is that we want to check this here. We want to do an excerpt on this kind of description right here. So let's do an excerpt on the index, and let's do an excerpt on the category page. And when I say excerpt, I mean like we're gonna truncate that text. Right now it's too long right here to show this in a index, right? Like we need to show just a little bit of content. So let's go ahead and do a little function here, and we are gonna go to, where is it, index, and here, and this index is of course the home page. All right, so we're gonna do a little function here called substring. This is a string function, substring, substr, and we are going to be enclosing everything there, all this content here. And then we are going to separate this a little bit, and we're going to say we want the string to be separated from 0 characters to 50. So that's going to make this a little bit smaller. As you can see right here, it's just minimize it to 50. We could say probably a little more, from 0 to 100, and that will help it out. All right, that will help this out. Actually, let's check out some more content. Let's see if, all right here, you see that it just cut the lorem ipsum there to 100 characters. All right, perfect. So now we're gonna get the same function. We're gonna do this to the category page. Let's go and do it on the category, and the category page is right here on the CMS, and up here let's just paste it, and perfect, category page done. All right, so we click on it, we get this, everything's truncated to, you see that? Perfect. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you were able to do this with me, and hopefully you keep enjoying the course. All right, so take care, and I'll see you in the next lecture.